Hey everyone, welcome back to Dream Cars, today where we bring you the latest and most luxurious automobiles that push the limits of performance and design. Today, we're diving into the breathtaking 2026 Audi RSQ8 ABT. This powerhouse SUV combines high-octane performance, cutting-edge technology, and unparalleled luxury. Whether you're a performance enthusiast or someone who appreciates the finer things in life, the RSQ8 ABT is about to redefine your perception of luxury SUVs. So, buckle up as we take a look at every stunning detail of this incredible vehicle. Let's begin with the *2026 Audi RSQ8 ABT's exterior, a perfect blend of muscular elegance and aggressive styling. At first glance, the RSQ8 ABT immediately commands attention. The front of the vehicle is dominated by Audi's signature octagonal grille with a sleek black finish, providing a menacing yet sophisticated look. This grille is complemented by the aggressive air intakes, which not only enhance the aesthetic appeal but also optimize airflow to the engine, ensuring maximum performance. Audi's iconic matrix LED headlights provide a sharp and powerful illumination, adding to the SUV's bold road presence. Moving along the sides, you'll notice the wide, sculpted wheel arches and sharp character lines that define the dynamic silhouette of the RSQ8 ABT. The side profile is both athletic and luxurious, with custom *20" to 23" ABT alloy wheels that create an unmistakable performance stance. These wheels are not just for looks, they are carefully engineered for weight reduction and improved handling. The vehicle also features carbon fiber accents, further emphasizing the sportiness of the RSQ8 ABT. The side skirts provide an elegant touch, visually lowering the ride height and giving the vehicle a more aggressive stance. The gloss black mirror caps and side trim add a sleek contrast to the overall design. This SUV is clearly designed for those who want a performance-driven machine, but with a refined touch of luxury. *2026 Audi RSQ8 ABT. Audi's design team has done an excellent job crafting a rear end that perfectly balances performance and aesthetics. The most noticeable feature is the quad exhaust outlets, which are integrated into the lower diffuser, giving the vehicle a potent and dynamic look. These exhaust tips not only improve the RSQ8 ABT's performance but also produce an intoxicating sound that further amplifies the driving experience. The rear also features a full-width LED light bar, which not only adds to the sleekness of the vehicle but also improves visibility at night. The active rear spoiler provides functional aerodynamics, adjusting to the driving speed and helping to maintain stability at high velocities. The rear diffuser further enhances the SUV's aerodynamic capabilities while contributing to its bold visual appeal. With its rear-mounted power tailgate, the RSQ8 ABT offers easy access to the spacious trunk area, capable of accommodating luggage, golf bags, or any adventure gear you might need. The integration of carbon fiber trim on the rear bumper and lower elements adds that special touch of exclusivity to the overall design. Now, let's step inside and take a look at the interior of the 2026 Audi RSQ8 ABT. When you enter this luxury SUV, you're immediately greeted by an atmosphere of refined elegance, sophistication, and high-tech features. Audi's designers have spared no expense in ensuring the cabin exudes luxury from every angle. The front seats are wrapped in premium Valcona leather with contrast stitching *. These seats are not just about comfort, they offer heating, cooling, and multi-way power adjustments, making long trips a breeze. Audi's RS Sport seats provide exceptional support, hugging you tightly during aggressive cornering and spirited driving. The rear seats are equally luxurious, offering ample legroom and comfort for passengers, making this SUV not only a joy to drive but also to ride in. The cabin is filled with the finest materials, including piano black trim, aluminum accents *, and carbon fiber elements *. The attention to detail is remarkable, and every surface feels premium to the touch. The Audi Virtual Cockpit Plus is the centerpiece of the dashboard. This fully digital display can be customized to show a wide range of driving data, navigation instructions, or media controls. It's paired with Audi's MMI Navigation Plus system, which features a high-resolution touchscreen and a rotary controller for easy access to settings and functions. At the center of the console, you'll find a dual touchscreen setup. The upper screen controls the infotainment system, while the lower screen manages climate controls, driving modes, and other vehicle settings. Audi's Bang & Olufsen 3D sound system envelops the cabin with crystal-clear sound, providing an immersive audio experience for all passengers. Of course, no Audi RS model would be complete without world-class performance, and the *2026 Audi RSQ8 ABT certainly delivers in that department. Under the hood, the RSQ8 ABT features a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine that produces an astounding 700-plus horsepower, thanks to the ABT Sportsline performance tuning. This engine allows the RSQ8 ABT to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds*, which is faster than most sports cars on the road today. The power is sent to all four wheels through Audi's legendary Quattro all-wheel drive system, ensuring superior grip and stability, whether you're driving on dry pavement or navigating challenging weather conditions. The 8-speed Tiptronic automatic transmission delivers seamless shifts, while the dynamic steering system adapts to your driving style, providing both precision and comfort. Thanks to adaptive air suspension and ABT Sport suspension springs, the RSQ8 ABT provides an incredibly smooth and controlled ride. Whether you're cruising on the highway or taking on twisty mountain roads, this SUV feels nimble and agile, offering unmatched handling and performance. The ABT Sport's exhaust system enhances the driving experience, providing a throaty growl that's guaranteed to turn heads. If you want a performance vehicle that can do it all, comfort, luxury, and speed, the RSQ8 ABT is the perfect choice. To sum it up, the 2026 Audi RSQ8 ABT is the ultimate luxury performance SUV, offering an extraordinary combination of power, refinement, and high-tech features. From its aggressive exterior design to its luxurious and high-tech interior, every detail has been meticulously crafted to provide an unparalleled driving experience. Whether you're tearing up the track or cruising through city streets, the RSQ8 ABT delivers on every level. Thank you for tuning in to this in-depth look at the *2026 Audi RSQ8 ABT. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Dream Cars for more incredible car reviews. Until next time, drive safe and keep living your dream.